Hover Camera X1. Hover Camera X1 is a multifunctional aerial platform. It's like having your very own flying camera with you on your trip. Hover Camera X1 features many shooting modes, so you may use it for anything your heart desires. To send it soaring on its own, you need only push a button. There is no need for a smartphone app or a remote control to enjoy this. The Hover Camera X1 is compact, portable, and secure when folded. It's lighter and more pocketable than your smartphone. You and the blades of the propellers are safe inside its protective shell. In addition, it boasts a triple stabilization mechanism that prevents shaky video capture under all circumstances. Everyone should have a Hover Camera X1, the world's best aerial camera. The Hover Camera X1 is your chance to capture every moment of your travels from a whole new vantage point. Wainlux Z5. When it comes to home and hobby laser machines, nothing beats the Wainlux Z5. From metal to wood, leather to paper, it can engrave and cut virtually anything. It's versatile enough to serve as either a portable or stationary computer. You may toggle between a 5W blue laser and a 5W red laser with the Wainlux Z5's dual light source feature. While the blue laser can engrave and cut metal, the red laser is better suited for delicate work and softer materials. Wainlux Z5's straightforward button controls and intuitive software make it simple to preview and fine-tune your drawings before printing. It also has USB and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can use it with your computer and virtually any program. The Wainlux Z5 is a portable, secure, and small camera. It can be folded up to fit in a backpack and comes with a hardcover to keep both you and the device safe. Moza AI Robohands. The Moza AI Robohands is a cutting-edge piece of technology that provides an unparalleled neck massage. It's more than a massager since it can adapt to your own tastes. Patented technology allows it to simulate human touch by massaging your neck muscles with heat and vibration. Depending on the type of material you're working with, you may choose between a blue laser and a red laser, thanks to its dual light source technology. Moza AI Robohands may be operated with a single button via an intuitive mobile app, and its massaging capabilities are highly configurable. The Moza AI Robohands are compact, portable, and risk-free. You and the gadget are safe within the completely sealed housing. It's perfect for any event because of its lengthy battery life and quiet operation. Conga AI-powered robot. Using a Conga robot driven by artificial intelligence is the most efficient and convenient method to maintain a lush, green lawn. This robot represents more than simply the future, though. In order to produce a digital map of your lawn, Conga employs 3 high dynamic range cameras and VFL technology. Your family and pets are safe in their home, since it can identify and avoid obstacles in under 0.1 seconds. It has a number of mowing modes, including straight lines, zigzags, and user-defined patterns. Conga may be folded up and stored easily. It can cover up to 1,800 meters per day on slopes of up to 57%. It features a smart app that allows you to manage everything from your phone and a changeable battery that lasts for hours. Conga is more than simply a robot. It's also a hassle-free way to keep your lawn looking great. OENKLEN. The OENKLEN robot is an innovative dental care product that disinfects and whitens teeth with the use of ozone water technology. It's a revolutionary approach to better dental hygiene and self-esteem, not just a mouthwash dispenser. The OENKLEN robot can produce ozone water in a matter of seconds, completely naturally. Ozone water has been shown to relieve pain, bad breath, and tooth discoloration, while killing 99.99% of dangerous bacteria in the mouth. Depending on the accessories you use, the OENKLEN robot is also capable of automatically recognizing different modes and water output. Mouthwash containers come in the form of cups, while other options include dental irrigators and atomizers. The OENKLEN robot may be safely folded up and taken anywhere. You and the gadget are safe within the completely sealed housing. Vanzy Ring. With the Vanzy Ring, you can command your electronic gadgets with a wave of your hand. It's more than just a pretty ring. It's also a highly personalized computer mouse. Vanzy Ring employs machine learning for gesture recognition and learning for improved accuracy and usability. It's versatile enough to serve as either a portable or stationary device. The volume, the cursor, and the virtual reality experience may all be adjusted independently. You can fold up Vanzy Ring and take it with you wherever. The Bluetooth connectivity is universal, the battery life is lengthy, and the noise level is minimal. Everyone should have a Vanzy Ring since it is the best gesture controller available. It's simple to implement, fashionable, and instructive. Tertill Weeding Robot. The Tertill Weeding Robot is the best gardening tool you can buy, since it helps you maintain a weed-free and flourishing garden. This is no ordinary robot. It is a solar-powered, weatherproof gadget designed to spend the warmer months of the year in your garden. Tertill employs height to distinguish plants from weeds and includes protectors for tender shoots. Daily, it uses its specialized wheels to churn the soil and eradicate any weeds that have yet to develop. A string trimmer is kept on board and used to cut down any weeds that may have sprung. If you wanted to explore your garden, all you have to do is hit the button twice. Tertill can manage a garden up to 200 square feet in size with the same efficiency as manual weeding, according to the Cornell University of Agriculture and Technology. CupCooler. CupCooler is a compact and convenient device that keeps your drinks cold and refreshing. It is not just a cooler, it is a personal refrigerator that works with any beverage container. Whether you want to enjoy a soda, a beer, a coffee, or a wine, CupCooler can chill it in minutes. Just plug it in, place your drink on the cooling plate, and press the button. CupCooler will lower the temperature of your drink to 6 degrees C and maintain it for hours. CupCooler is foldable, portable, and safe. It can fit in your pocket and weigh less than your phone. It has a fully enclosed design that protects you and the device from harm. It also has a low noise level and a long battery life, making it ideal for any occasion. CupCooler is more than just a device, it is a vision of the future of drinking.